Diolch, Llywydd. Trefnydd, I'd like to request a statement from the Cabinet Secretary for Transport in North Wales on the delivery of rail services in West Wales, especially given we heard from the First Minister earlier that she wants to talk about rail services at every opportunity. Well, let's talk about rail services, because unfortunately rail services to and from Pembrokeshire continue to be a huge problem for many of my constituents, and in one particular case trains were cancelled from Haverfordwest with no replacement buses to transport travellers at all, which caused utter chaos. In another case recently, a constituent informed me that their train was terminated at Carmarthen and that Transport for Wales paid for a taxi to transport her for the rest of her journey. The people of Pembrokeshire deserve better, and it's vital that there is an urgent review into the delivery of services in West Wales so that action can be taken to ensure that people living beyond Carmarthen are actually able to rely on local rail services. Therefore, I'd be grateful if we could have a statement from the Welsh Government outlining what action it intends to take to improve the delivery of rail services in West Wales.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul Davies. And of course, rail services in West Wales, as the First Minister has said, in terms of the delivery of rail services, particularly from Transport for Wales, and you've seen the good ratings and outcomes of, in terms of delivery of services, punctuality and timing of services for Transport for Wales, which I know is very welcome, as well as I'm sure as your constituents has travelled on those new roads. But you do have an opportunity to raise this specifically in relation to West Wales with the Cabinet Secretary for Transport in North Wales, as it is his oral Senedd question time tomorrow.